Here it is. Finally, the Stadia is in studio. This has the potential to change video games forever. This is the Founders Edition. As you can tell, fancy packaging. One place for all the ways that we play. What else does it say on it? Founders Edition. So this will include the controller as well as the Google Chromecast Ultra. Let's check out what's inside the package. That's the most important component when it comes to the Founders Edition. It is, of course, this controller. You can probably tell it's kind of inspired by other controllers you've seen in the past. Okay. Little comfy there, Will.
Oh, yeah?
Dare I say, a couple of analog sticks over here. We've also got A, B, X, Y buttons over here, fairly tactile. Now, there are some specific buttons in the center for various features that are going to be available in Stadia, including an assistant button right there. You can tell from the icon. So all kinds of special functionality that ties into other Google services and makes the whole thing more smart. At least that's the idea. USB Type-C connector over here to charge this up. Big trigger buttons, in fact. You're also going to be able to get this controller in white. Founders Edition, $130, includes the Chromecast Ultra. That's what enables you to put the Stadia games up on a television. Not necessary, though. Important to note. Even a controller, not necessary to enjoy Stadia. You can play straight on your smartphone, straight on your Android device, Pixel device, or otherwise, and even iPhone. And a Chrome browser, so you're not tied down to one particular interaction. So this controller here is called Night Blue. It's the limited edition with the Founders Edition. Okay, so there's the Premier Edition now, which comes with the white controller instead of this one, but then that's also gonna ship with the Chromecast. So this, I mean, it's a perk for the founders, obviously. You've got a controller that is indicative of the fact that you got the earliest version, but there is a premier version you can order now, which also gives you the combination of products that are inside of here. You can also just pick up the controller on its own for $69. It comes in 3 colors, clearly white, just black, and wasabi.
Does it feel like an Xbox controller weight?
I'd say it's a little lighter.
Lighter?
Maybe.
Okay.
So also in the package, we have a fairly long USB Type-C cable to charge it up. The promise of creating one place for all the ways we play is a long-held dream. Today, we're proud to see that dream become a reality. Those stickers as well. This is your console. Look at this thing. See that little tiny?
Yeah.
That's the Chromecast Ultra. You see with the magnetic connection there. And that's all you're gonna need to get it up on your TV. The hardcore processing is going on in the background. Well, it's going on the servers. Google's handling it, and they're handing it back to you. So this will hook up to any HDMI monitor that you have. It has its own power brick. It also includes a dedicated Ethernet jack. So if you want an even more robust connection for your Chromecast Ultra, you can actually wire it up. Of course, you can also connect it wirelessly. Google actually sent along with this a couple of other things, some curious things over here. So we have a Pixel 3a XL. Of course, you don't have to use a Pixel 3a XL. You can use whichever device you want with this controller, this setup, and of course Stadia. A Type-C cable, a fairly robust looking Type-C cable. Again, you could probably use whichever is at your disposal. And then they also included this mount right here. This allows you to mount your smartphone and controller together. So let's give this a shot. So look at this. Okay, so you mount it up like that. You still have access to your headset jack as well as the Stadia button. And there's also this cutout over here for your Type-C connector so you can keep it charged. Then this portion on the front is actually spring-loaded, so you can insert whichever phone you like in there. You could, I mean, it could be a Pixel 3a XL, it could be the newer Pixel, it could be an iPhone for that matter. This is the Max. Yeah, look at that. There's a gaming solution right there. This is an early unboxing video. This is the Founders Edition, and it's all I can post right now. I have not tried Stadia. I will put out a video with gameplay and all the rest of it on Monday at my earliest ability, at which point I'm actually allowed to, because this is, as I mentioned, so early. At this point, it's strictly an unboxing video to give you a better idea of the hardware. So definitely stay tuned for the gameplay video. It's coming out on Monday. As of right now, that's an unboxing. It's the Stadia Founders Edition.